it's your girl, Ghetto Hippie in the house. What's up? Yeah, I've been going, busy little razzle dazzle, and I was playing. Hey, what you do? Hit that 1K. Super excited.
Bruh.
Oh my god. Anyway, check this out. I have some little special guests behind me. My nieces are here today. We are going to make dinner. You know what? I was like, I'm gonna order some pizza. And I was like, you know what?
Nope.
No. How about we make some pizza? So, that's what we're gonna be doing today. We're going to make homemade pizza. The ingredients we're gonna use today is, we have Greek pita bread. You can do white or wheat.
You're in my
we
business?
Have some
Yeah, don't do
classical
that.
traditional basil pesto. We have the Prego pizza sauce. We have Parmesan cheese. Who don't like more cheese, right? And of course, we got pepperoni. So we got the Hormel pepperoni original. All right. Now, also what we've done is we got some toppings ready. So obviously, if it's pizza, you could do what you want to do. So we have some mozzarella.
Don't do that.
We have some, what is this called? Bell pepper. I told y'all my brain. We got some bell pepper. We got the pepperoni. We have some mild cheddar. We have onions, tomatoes, and some pineapple. Now, the good thing with pizza, like, you can do whatever you want to do. So, right now we have the girls set up, and we're gonna get straight to it and make this pizza. All right, so the first thing we're going to do is have the girls, we're gonna have them put the pizza sauce on their pita bread. What you want to do with the pita bread, you want to make sure that it's the flat side up, because that's where all your toppings are going to go, and it cooks a lot even, okay? A lot more even, sorry. So during this process, you want to make sure your oven is being preheated at 350 while you're preparing your pizza. All right, so girls, go ahead and dip. Wait.
Nina, stop.
Okay, dip your spoons with a good amount. Put it right in the middle. Take the back of your spoon and start swirling around the circle. That's enough for Nina.
I did too.
You don't want your,
It's so weird.
right? So what they're doing is making sure that the sauce is evenly spreaded all over the pita bread.
Make sure you grab
Now, the next thing you guys want to do, go ahead and all of you put your spoons here on that plate. Good job, girls.
Ew. It's good.
All right, so I'm gonna move this out the way. Go ahead and start to put your toppings.
Pineapple. You like pineapple in your pizza?
This is super fun to do as well. As you know, family time, or if you're having all your friends over, you know, you guys can make your own pizzas opposed to going to go order pizza. I mean, literally, it's freaking bread and cheese and sauce, and they charge us, like, for a party, you probably want to pay a good $60 to $80 to make sure everyone gets full. So this, all of this here, all together at the grocery store, including the toppings, you're gonna pay maybe $40, if that, and you can get way more because you can get more than one personal pizza. All right, whoa!
Yummy.
Look at her pizza.
It's so yummy.
All right, so girls, make sure after you put all your toppings, however many toppings you guys want, make sure you put more cheese at the top
So
to keep your pepperoni down.
So you lift up your pepperoni, it could be all stringy. No!
Bruh.
What is that stuff? Mom, what is that? Pineapple?
Let's go ahead. Which? I don't know.
Can we cookie? This is clean.
Yeah, we gotta make sure this is.
Yeah.
Amina got a crazy pizza.
I'm done.
What is that?
All right.
I'm done. I'm drooling.
So these girls have finished decorating their pizzas. Now we're gonna go ahead and put it in the oven.
What
We'll be
is
back.
that?
All right, and our pizzas are done. All right, so this is what they look like after they've been in the oven for 10 to 15 minutes. Nice and ready, cheese melted. You can leave it in there a little longer if you like to be a little bit more crunchy. Here is Amina.
I'm hungry.
All right, and you guys ready to eat your pizza?
Yes.
All right, so I'm just gonna go right down the middle for each pizza, okay?
Okay. I'm scared. Don't put my pineapple. That's not yours. No, I'm the dang. Pineapple. Hey, don't put my pineapple. Elijah, come right here. Come right here. Why am I already trying to eat? I'm hungry. Okay, leave it right here.
And Elijah, go grab more plates.
Let me try my pineapple. Can I try mine? Oh, my pineapple tastes good. I'm like, my pineapple tastes good. You don't like pepperonis. Yes, I do.
You in my business? Yeah, don't do that.
You don't. You said take the pepperonis off only one cheese pizza. Go find out if you good. Go find out if you hot. Go find out. Go find out. Thank you. Yum, yum. I can't even see my pepperoni, but it's okay. Help. 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 Ooh, look at that. Help. It's hot.
How is it?
I ain't trying mine yet.
No?
Alright. I can't hold it either. Mmm. It's good.
Pretty good, huh? There you have it.
Pizza.
They're happy. You know you're gonna be happy. Well, that concludes this beautiful video of ours. We're gonna finish eating our pizza and enjoy each other's company.
I'm hungry.
And look at this one. And like always, my peeps. Aria, tell them. Say that concludes your video.
Bye.
Say peace. Look, Aria. Peace. Peace. All right, so while our pizza is cooking, I got some questions to ask you guys. So, Mina.
Yeah.
What's the number to 911?
I don't know why.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
It's 911.
You just said it,
Perfect. Why is the sky blue?
I don't know. Oh my God.
Why is sky blue?
Just because it's blue, God made it blue. Okay, ask me a question.
Why do elephants' trunks go up when they scream?
Because water didn't come out of it.
Because water did come out of
Like that?
it? Oh.
Mama, are you smart?
Yeah.
Let's ask her a question now.
Hey, ask me a question.
What should we ask her?
Lala. I have a question.
Uh-oh. Lucky Red.
You ready? You gonna answer me? How come? Hold on, I'm gonna fix that real quick. I just have a question for y'all real quick.
Okay, what?
I'll ask Lala.
Okay, what?
Lala, how come kids scream when they play outside?
Oh,
Because
no.
they have
I said that llama.
Very, very fun.
That's very,
Alright! You're smart! I'm smart. No, I'm not even in
Bruh.
You go.
Pepe.
Oh, Papa.
What?
I mean, Papa. How could
What?
kids be smart?
How come kids are smart? Why are kids smart?
Because so they can be, so when they get older, they can learn how to do stuff.
Mm-hmm. Because if they
And
can't
take
have
over
you-
the house.
Yeah.
Take
Pay
over
bills.
the house.
They
I'm
pay
taking
bills.
over the house. I know what I can play. I know. Let's ask her.
So they can pay the bills.
Ask her a
So
question.
they can pay their car insurance.
How about we
So they
ask Arya a
so
question?
they can pay their license,
Arya.
their water bill, they got bill, everything.
I have another question. Why y'all move so much?
Moving around.
Look.
That's what we always ask you so we can run around.
Look.
Do you see how fidgety that is?
Mom, Arya, I need to ask you a question.
Alright,
Maria, I gotta ask you one. Why is you a baby?
Where are you, baby? Why are you on this earth? Why do you want to be on this earth?
You're too.
You in my business?
Tiger uppercut.
You cannot slap me on camera.
No, that's not cool. Yeah. Give me a kiss.
Nope.
You do.
Yeah, don't do that.
Right, hey! Hey! You see this?
You a big old mess.
We'll check on these pizzas. We'll be back.
That's for another video. Let's go.